Hey, I'm Annika from iDoc, and in this repair tip, I'll show you how to properly loosen screws on your smartphone. Before you loosen a screw, you should always check exactly which screw profile it has. Small smartphone screws can easily be rounded with the wrong screwdriver. So always make sure that the tip of the screwdriver matches the screw profile. Also place it correctly on the screw head. In general, you should pay attention to the quality of your screwdriver. A good screwdriver has an ergonomic handle that lies comfortably in your hand, and its tip is precisely shaped and hardened. If a screw won't loosen, try to put more pressure on its head. If an already loosened screw gets stuck, use tweezers or a magnetized screwdriver. Organize your loosened screws so that you do not mix them up during reassembly. For example, a too long screw in the wrong place can damage the screen.
Ich hoffe, dieser Reparaturtipp hat dir weitergeholfen.
If this repair tip helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We've compiled more tips for your repair in a playlist. Check it out on occasion. You can find high-quality tools, spare parts, and accessories for your smartphone repair in our store. iDoc. Everything for your smartphone. Click here for more helpful videos. See you next time.